Hi everyone, welcome back to ShortGATE. Today we are going to learn another fundamental sorting algorithm, that is merge. This algorithm is widely used for large datasets and is known for its efficient time complexity. Whether you are tackling gate theory question or coding problems, merge is a must. Let's dive in and understand how it's works. Let's see what is merge. Merge is a divide and conquer algorithm that splits the array into smaller subarrays, sort them individually, and then merge them back together in sorted order. It's high efficient for large datasets and guarantees a time complexity of order of n log n in all cases. Let's see how does merge work. Merge works in the following steps: divide and recursion and merge. What we do in the divide step? Split the array into two halves. In the recursion, we recursively sort each halves until you have subarrays of size of 1, which are inheritedly sorted. Then merge. Merge the sorted subarrays back together in sorted order. This process ensures that the array is sorted efficiently even for large datasets. Now see an example. Let's sort the array 14, 7, 3, 12 using merge sort. Split into two halves 14, 7 and 3, 12. Recursively split each halves. 14, 7 becomes 14 and 7. 3, 12 becomes 3 and 12. Now merge. Merge 3 and 12 to form 3, 12. And merge 7 and 14 to form 7, 14. Continue merging until the final sorted array 3, 7, 12, 14 comes. Let's see the time complexity. One of the best features of merge sort is its time complexity. In all the cases, merge sort has order of n log n time complexity. Unlike algorithms like quicksort, merge sort performs well even for the worst cases, making it a stable and reliable sorting algorithm. Now see the advantages and disadvantages of merge sort. What are the advantages? It is consistent order of n log n time complexity, efficient for large datasets, stable sort, works well with linked list. What are the disadvantages? Requires additional space for merging order of n auxiliary space. Slower than in-place algorithms like quicksort for smaller datasets. Now, here is the code. This code recursively divides the array into two halves and uses a helper function to merge the sorted halves. Merge sort is often compared with other sorting algorithms like quicksort and heap sort. While merge sort has consistent order of n log n performance, it uses more space compared to quicksort, which is in place. However, merge sort is stable whereas quicksort is not. I hope this breakdown of merge sort helps you in your GATE preparation. If you found this video useful, like the video to support the channel. Subscribe for more GATE related content. Comment below with any questions or topics you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching. Merge sort is just one of many sorting algorithms you will need to master for GATE. And compare it with other like quicksort and heap sort will help you understand when to use each one. Stay tuned for more algorithms and tips. Until next time, happy learning and let's crack GATE together.